How to add payment methods on Wix. When it comes to building a professional online store or service-based website, being able to accept payments is one of the most important steps. You can design a beautiful website, add all your products, and even attract visitors. But if customers don't have a way to pay you, then your business can't function. That's why setting up payment methods correctly is essential. It ensures that the checkout process is smooth, secure, and convenient, not only for you as the business owner, but also for your customers. One of the biggest challenges for many new business owners is figuring out which payment options to use. Should you accept credit cards directly? Should you offer PayPal or Stripe? Or maybe you need to consider local payment solutions for international customers. These questions can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you've never set up online payments before. The good news is that Wix has made this entire process much easier. Instead of needing to go through complicated setups or multiple third-party platforms, Wix gives you a built-in system along with the flexibility to connect well-known providers. This means you can get started quickly while keeping your options open for future growth. So now let's move on to setting up our payment methods on our Wix website. So from here in your Wix Studio, first you want to click here on the top section or menu and select your site where you want to add the payment method. So let's say I'm going to use this site. Now we will be redirected right here. So as you can see, this is how you can edit your site. You'll set up your business right here. You'll see setup, your home page, getting paid. So as you can see, when we go to getting paid, we can connect our payment method right here. So click on connect payment method. So as you can see, we can either connect our PayPal, so it allows us to accept PayPal payments. We can also add manual payments, so it allows you to accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. So of course, we also have another payment options. We can click here on see more payment options, and it will redirect us to our settings. So again, let's just go back. So if there are cases where you can't see the getting paid section right here, what you want to do is head over to your settings. So simply go here to your settings. And from here, look for finance and payments. And from here, as you can see, you can select accept payments. And we will now be redirected here again. So click on see more payment options. And as you can see, we have HitPay. It allows you to accept credit or debit cards, Pay Now QR, Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfers, and e-wallet payments. We also have the payment wall, which is provided by Payment Wall. So it allows you to accept credit or debit cards, cash, e-wallets, direct bank transfers, and the most popular local payment methods in your country. We also have online payments by SendIt. So it allows you to accept credit or debit cards, bank transfers, e-wallet payments, and more. And of course, we have Dragon Pay. So from here, it allows us to accept credit or debit cards, e-wallets, bank transfers, and cryptocurrency payments. So there are cases where you have more payment options than I do. So this all depends on where your region or country is. So for me in the Philippines, this is all the payment options I can add to my Wix website. So let's say I want to add my PayPal account. Simply click on connect, and we have the instructions right here. So simply enter your PayPal account email in the form below right here. Click connect. So you will be redirected to PayPal. So follow the instructions and click login. Now your PayPal account will be connected to your Wix account. So just you'll need to take note of this fees. So as you can see, PayPal from 2.9% plus 15 per transactions. Wix does not collect additional fees. So that's what you need to take note of. So let's say we want to add HitPay. So as you can see, HitPay fees. So fees may vary. So for payment wall, again, fees may vary. So you'll need to take note of that. So it still depends on you on what payment method you want to add. So again, we can also add manual payments. So click on connect. So as you can see, you can either select manual payment, cash payment, offline payment, or cash on delivery. So let's say cash on delivery. Now let your customers know how to pay. So simply add instructions right here and click on connect. So those are the payment methods that you can use. So let's say right here, online payments by Zendit. Again, fees may vary. Dragon Pay fees may vary. So it depends on you. We also have this help me select a payment app options button right here. And the Wix AI assistant is going to help you. So I don't need that. So for me, I suggest using PayPal. But again, PayPal has the PayPal fees. So if it doesn't work for you, of course, you'll need to choose your own payment option. So basically, that is how you can add payment methods to your Wix website. Again, simply select the site where you want to add a payment method. So just go to the getting paid section. If you can't see the getting paid section, you can always go to your settings. From here, find the finance and payments. You can either choose accept payments. Again, accept payments. And from here, you can connect or add your payment methods. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.